This week on Saving Sweet William, we're inviting you into our Greek home as we imagine what our veranda renovation could look like using AI design tool Midjourney to transform our space. Let's jump in. Welcome back to our veranda project. We started this back in April. I'll put a link to the video at the end, to the video that we did in April at the end of this one. We didn't get that far though. We painted this wall, we painted the blue. Yeah. Didn't we? We painted the door. And then the summer came.
And ran out of time.
Yeah, we had to entertain people and
move on to other projects.
Ourselves. But we're getting back to this now. This is like a brightening phase still, so all we're going to do is paint this white just to make it look the same as everything else, all the other walls.
Yeah, we'd like to bring, everyone's been so great with this whole journey, which we never expected. So we want to bring you along with us and get your views on where we should head with it.
We've had some bits of inspiration from places we've been in Greece. I know we both liked the vibe down at Daphne Beach, didn't we? That had lots of basket type lampshades.
Fairy lights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got lots of things that we like, lots of influences that we probably want to bring into this area because this has got to be like a nice shady, relax.
Definitely, yeah. And it's quite it's a little bit clinical at the moment. It's very square, white and blue. So it needs absolutely something.
But yeah, all that's coming up in the future. But for now, we're just going to hit this, get rid of the green, make it all a bit brighter. Let's go. Joe's in there. She's going to start tapping out these bolts. I'm going to try and grab this. This is quite heavy. It's not as big as the ones we did right there, so I should be able to hold it okay. But that's the first job. You ready to start tapping? Tap away. Yes. The purpose of painting everything white is so that we can have a totally blank canvas to work from. It won't necessarily stay like this, but since we have to break our renovation into phases, we find it much easier to get everything looking as plain as possible. And that kind of allows our minds to get to work, planning what we want the perfect veranda to look like. This already feels a lot fresher and cleaner. There were hundreds of cobwebs and stains all over the walls. So now we can sit in this space and really let our imaginations run free, thinking of how we'd like this space to look. What do you think you'd do with this space? Okay, this is our blank canvas. Pretty happy with how it's turned out. It looks a lot brighter. I've been told by Greek people on YouTube that they like their wood to look like wood, and all we've done is paint it white and make it look British. But we wanted a blank canvas.
Yeah, we're ready to start adding some personality and Greek influence into what we're doing.
So we've got lots of ideas. We'd also like to hear any of your ideas, but for now we're going to sit in our blank canvas, chill out with a coffee,
taking the view.
Take it easy.
Enjoy our time here. Welcome back to Design With Me. This is our veranda area. I feel really lucky to have this. I wish we had this in the UK. Not that we'd be able to use it so much. But it's a really nice space. From my view right here, I can look out onto the garden. I can see anybody playing in the pool. I can see all the olive trees around me, which is just beautiful. Every time we come, depending on the different seasons, there is other things going on. The grass might be brown, it might be green. The olive trees might have all been cut back, or they might be laden with olives like they are at the moment. The sheep might be here. It's a really special place to sit and relax. We spent a lot of time out here in the summer. We had lots of people here, and we really use this area more than anything for entertaining. So that is what we need to set this area up for. It needs to be a place where everybody can get out of the heat of the summer, or a little bit of shelter in the autumn and winter. So the furniture that we have at the moment is what was left here by the previous owners, but we're ready now to make this area cosy, but somewhere you want to come, and we want it to be really relaxing. So I'm thinking lots of soft furnishings, lots of cushions, pretty lighting for the evenings, some plants. It all needs to be happening in this space right here. So let me know what your thoughts are, please.
So as you know, if you've seen previous episodes of our show, we enjoy using an AI design program called Midjourney to conjure up images based on prompts that we put in and pictures of the veranda. So we're just going to flash through some of these while we talk about our plans for the veranda.
Hi, Chris.
Hello.
Hi.
How's your coffee?
It's really good.
Nice mug. Yeah, we like this. We spend a lot of time outdoors, and obviously when you move to a place like Greece, you usually do it because you like outdoor space. So we've got lots of ideas. We've been to some really nice places that are kind of hippified, with the low lighting, but lots of lighting, but all dim.
Yeah.
Lots of plants, lots of greenery. I mean, it just sets it off, doesn't it? And that's the sort of vibe that we want to go for. It's like laid back, relaxing, hippie-ish kind of vibe.
Yeah. Somewhere to really relax and chill.
Yeah, we like the hanging basket type lights, don't we?
Yes, we do.
We like I don't know. Can you even grow? Can you grow anything up the wall? Can you? I don't know. Is there any sort of planting you can do where it's sort of? Because we've got this. I'm just going to spin the camera around. We've got this huge wall. And it's just white. I mean, it looks better than it did because it was this filthy magnolia before, but it's still that isn't finished, is it? That's crying out for something. Like what?
Absolutely.
Ideas, please, in the comments.
The lights are terrible at the moment.
Yeah, the lighting isn't good. So this is another space that links into the kitchen that needs a lot of attention, because this, along with the kitchen, is like the heart of the home as well, isn't it? Because
yeah, as I said in the lounge video, it also leads directly into the lounge. Yep. So if someone's just having some time out from the heat or the sun, or they want to, but not necessarily be excluded from the rest of the family or whoever they're here with, it's nice to be able to just enjoy that in-out space.
These over, the door opens all the way up. That door can open all the way up. You get air blowing through. It's a nice spot, but needs a lot of work. This colour scheme isn't really working for us.
No, not with the blue now. We've painted it blue. The green is a bit lost.
Ideas on that? Colours, soft furnishings, hard furnishings, plants, lighting. Yeah, all
we
stuff
need
that we need to think about before next spring. Midjourney really is a fantastic and simple way to reimagine what your space could look like. If you'd like to try it for yourself and need any advice, please drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.